Hello everybody, my name is Andrzej. I work as a developer relations leader here in Kontent, and today I'm here with another Andrzej, and he works as the developer evangelist here.
Hey guys.
Hey, I have a few questions to ask you. Basically, what are the news in this December? Are there any specifics in a Kentico Kontent developer community or some developer projects that you have been doing in December?
Right, well, first of all, you can get all the updates in the newsletter. So if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. We're going to share the link below. But yeah, there have been some news. The first one, the most important one is, do you want to get some swag? Like the nice t-shirt that Andrzej is wearing. Obviously you already have that one, but we have other swag. We have coffee beans, we have tin mugs, we have the smart locators, you know, when you always need to look for your keys. You can get all of these things. The only thing you need to do is join our Discord server. We're going to share the link below. And you need to take the Developer Nation survey, which are just a few questions relevant to tech and what do you think is going to be the big industry thing next year. And we're going to draw 3 names from the hat that will receive the swag. So we're going to wait till the survey is done. And then we're going to send the swag, I guess all of those things that I said, all of those swag items, we're going to send them to 3 randomly selected people.
Cool. Yeah, I already finished the survey, and you can of course win some swag in the survey itself. So you can win our swag, and you can win Developer Nation swag itself.
Perfect, cool.
Yeah, I have noticed that there have been some news around the new JavaScript SDKs, because there has been a new version or the new versions of all the JavaScript SDKs with a bunch of new features. They are super handy from my point of view. So what is that news?
Yeah, we already talked about it on Horizons, but if you guys missed it, it's definitely worth upgrading. There is no question around that. The new delivery SDK is much smaller, it has really minimal dependencies. The client-side bundle is really small. The biggest improvement from my point of view is you no longer need type resolvers, right? It doesn't work with classes anymore, so it's easy to serialize and deserialize content. And the upgrade is really easy. It is breaking update, but the changes are not that deep that it would take you weeks to upgrade. So my advice would be definitely go ahead, upgrade to the newest version of JS SDK. You're going to see the benefits right away. And of course, there have been some to the management SDK as well. They are all summarized in an article that was published on our blog, so definitely check that out as well.
Yeah, I already did an upgrade from one of our examples, and it was not that hard. It was a bunch of copy and pasting, because you need to do a mass replace, because all of the properties are now wrapped in the elements property.
Right.
So this is a bit annoying, but it's just a mass replace you need to tune up. The same as for linked items. The property is not called value, but linked items if you want to have the type property. But besides of that, I haven't found any bigger issues. You just switch from types to classes, which just brings the benefits. But from the code point of view, you don't need to refactor all the code, because they basically work as they have been. The only thing that has been cut off is the rich text resolution, which is something really promising for the next quarter. I need to dig into it, because it's just good that we cut it out from the SDK, and now you can decide how you want to parse and how you want to resolve your rich text, or you can use still the default implementation in the SDK itself.
Right, and no worries, we're gonna make a video about that as well.
Yeah.
So if you don't know how to do that, we're gonna show you.
And I remember one article you have been writing about was some TypeScript thing after vacation that you have no idea what you have been doing 3 or 2 weeks ago, how to even console log the problems.
Yeah, this always happens to me. I find myself googling for the simplest things. Yeah, you start working again in TypeScript, and you literally type in Google how to check if an array is empty, right? So I created an article about that. It's also based on the use case of getting items from content. So if you want to get items, you want to get them in strong types, and then you want to check if the response is empty or not. The response is pretty much an array. So the article is exactly about that. It features the code sample, So you can just directly copy paste it into your projects. And I would say is the most efficient way how to do that. It's on Dev2. Link is again down in the description.
Cool, perfect. And is there anything else that has happened in the December?
The last thing I wanted to mention is that we've been, in the fall this year, we've been focused a lot on Vue.js because it's been some time since Vue 3 was released. Now we have Nuxt 3 finally in a public beta. And we've obviously created a new module, we've created a sample app, so all of those are on GitHub. There's nothing new there. You can already use that. But what is coming is one integration. Now I don't want to spoil the news, so we have to wait for that till January. But what is coming in January as well is the Vue.js Nation conference. We are proud sponsors of the conference, so it's free. You just need to register. And on 26th, just join online, and we hope to see you there.
And it's a 2-day conference with online
right.
recordings and stuff. Cool. And maybe there will be, of course, some goodies you can win, right?
Yeah, I hope so. I'm thirsty for swag.
Cool. That's around it. Hopefully every single news will reach out to the right audience. I hope so. For example, I will definitely check the TypeScript thing after my Christmas vacation, because I will definitely need some refreshments after that. Mm-hmm. And we can basically wrap up by that. Thank you for your time. Thank you for replying for all of my questions, my picky questions, and hopefully we'll see each other in January.
No worries. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in January and today on Discord.
Cool. See you guys.